Hello and thanks for watching. One of the most common issues customers may report is that they're not seeing any content on their screen. And oftentimes what we notice is that the video settings are not correct, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the different video sources for your sign and how to make sure that you have the right option selected based on the input source that you're using. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and connect to the sign. So we're going to go ahead and connect. If you're connecting wirelessly, then you'll connect to the AP network. If you're using the long-range antennas that were provided, you're using the Sign City network. If it's connected to your network already with a hardwire, then you can skip that step. If you're using the cloud option though, those steps are a little bit different, so we'll address that in a different video. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on if you have a local connection there, and you're connecting to that player, and then how to manually change that video source. So first thing we're going to do is open the ViPlex. So we're going to open ViPlex. And one thing to note, even if you are using the cloud option, like you can still have ViPlex installed on a local machine. Get up close to the sign. There should be a network there that it's broadcasting, which you can connect to, and you can do this change locally. But you also have the option to do it online. So unless it's critical, you can focus on doing it on the online version there. All right, so now that we're here, you can see that we are connected to the player and I'm logged in. And based on my status, we can see that I am online also. So next we're going to switch over to the terminal control. So you can see I'm on the terminal tab, so terminal solutions, advanced solutions, then terminal control. So we'll go there. And then the third option says video source. So we'll go here. And once you're on the video source, if you're using the internal player, let's say you're creating content in the software and then publishing it to the sign, you want to make sure that the option you have selected is manual control. And then under manual control, you want to change that to your video source type to internal source. So that's going to be the flash storage that's installed on the player. Once you upload that content, the player is going to be playing that content, and that's what you expect to see on your screen. If you have HDMI selected, then it's looking for an external source. So for example, another media player or a Fire Stick or something that's then driving the content that should be displayed on your screen. So if you're using the internal, which means you're uploading content and pushing to the sign directly, you want to be internal. If you're using an external source like a Fire Stick or some other media player, then you want to be HDMI. So in this case, I want internal, so I'm going to go ahead and switch that. I'm going to leave all the other settings here to their default. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. And if that was the issue, immediately you should see the sign coming on. You should be able to see your content. So if that helps you, great, everything is solved. If you still need assistance, then feel free to reach out to us. You can give us a call at 866-343-4011, or if you can visit our website at ledsigncity.com and then go to the support desk in the top right corner. Thank you.